what's up, y'all? Hey, Trey 320. Hey, I think you're to turn up, man, with your boy Rapheal Jones. Hey. This will go on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and everything, man. Getting set up for this whole thing. What's for the thing? Co-spire in a few minutes, man. Yeah, man, got your boy DKing. a.k.a. D.King.
All the performers, as Margo will be one of the sound techs, and let's go ahead and get started with the sound check and everything to get the monitor.
Yeah, what's up, YKD? Hey, man, your boy YKD walked in the building. Hey, guess what? They tell him, you got this situation, what's it to God? What's it to my God? Hey, that's his new song, y'all. What's it to my God? Hey, you can download it. Tell me man.
Hey, check it out on www.iamykd.com, and it's all on all your digital platforms. You know what I'm saying? iTunes, Amazon, CD Baby, whatever it is. You know, get it on. Everybody going live.
Everybody go. Hey. Everybody already know, man. It's gonna go down. Your boy YKD walked in the building. Y'all don't sleep on YKD, man. I'm telling you, don't sleep on YKD, y'all.
I thought you went to somebody.
Nah, he do his own work.
Damn, I'm up there. I probably need to be paying you.
Man,
come on through.
Hey, check this out. But I gotta go make some. I gotta make some transition with YKD real quick. I'm saying get the merchandise song. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying get the grown man head. I got with the Migo glasses.
Get your mic checked. Test everything out.
Get him out.
He was at the Migo glasses, y'all. Quavo Jr. Hey, check this out, y'all. Hey, it's gonna go down. Church 320, 3 o'clock. YKD, Rapheal Jones, King JF on Records Abandoned. Hey, it's going down, bro. Hey, I'm trying. Hey, we gotta do sound check. So,
What you said that's told us to do?
Hold on. I got a what's the name? Hey, y'all. Hey, I'll hit y'all right back, man.